Would I meal prep to save money as a severely underpaid healthcare worker? It is Taco Tuesday, so I have chicken tacos with Mexican rice topped with fresh avocados. Crunchy tacos with fresh avocados. Love avocado. Gotta put some rice on top too.